The new Webscope Waveform Viewer offers an extensive set of tools to analyze simulation results. This video will demonstrate the basic operation of the Waveform Viewer, as well as its most commonly used customization features. One way to open the Waveform Viewer and see the simulation results is clicking on a link in the Simulation Setup dialog box after running a simulation. The Waveform Viewer always opens in its own browser window. Observe the set of tabs at the top of this window. Available waveforms are grouped together logically on these tabs. A custom tab is even available for users to select their own grouping of simulation results. This feature is covered in the Webscope Waveform Viewer Advanced Features video. The most important controls are located to the left of the graph and to the right of the graph. On the right of the graph, the legend indicates the color associated with each waveform. A waveform's color is easily changed, and a waveform can be moved backward or forward relative to the other waveforms. Waveforms can also be hidden or completely removed from the graph. On the left of the graph are controls to position and size the graph, as well as save it in a variety of ways. Zoom in works with either a single click in the area of interest or as a marquee zoom tool. Zoom out expands the graph around an area of interest. The panning tool can be used to drag the graph's position in any direction, and the undo control can be used to undo recent changes. Also on the left-hand toolbar are controls to send the graph to a printer, download it in a variety of formats, save it to the clipboard, or add it to your EESIM design report. On the graph itself, vertical and horizontal markers aid analysis. Position the mouse pointer over the marker's handle to move the marker to the desired position. The waveform's value where it is intersected by the marker is shown next to the marker handle. The marker data is also displayed in a table underneath the graph. This table can be customized to include properties calculated from the waveform data. For example, in this case, calculating the peak-to-peak difference on Vout confirms the circuit is well within the desired load step undershoot limit of 5%. Simulation waveforms may be further customized by right-clicking on the graph itself. Menus are available to change almost every aspect of how the data is viewed. For example, by clicking on the Edit tab, the current and voltage waveforms can be separated into two stacked graphs instead of being overlaid. To learn more about adding and removing tabs, waveforms, markers, and labels, as well as other customizations available on the right-click menu, see the Webscope Waveform Viewer Advanced Features video.